Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisa Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Coach Mamelodi Sundowns bafethu Steve Komphela balaphana eNigeria bathi udicide nje ukuthengela iy'ngane amashwamshwamu bafethu noma ngithi ama-snacks. La ubonakala kulesi sithombe lesi bafethu ubhizi ubanika amaphakethe wamazimba noma ama-snacks abafana laphana eNigeria abazoba o-ball boy or during laphana i-training session yabo. So, I mean, obviously, ibhola bafethu it's about i-pride, passion, ukuthi ngifuna ukuwina, but at the end of the day, sonke ama-moments afana nalawa ayasikhumbuza ukuthi sonke siyabantu, siyafana, siyalingana, no matter the status emhlabeni, but sonke siyafana. Sonke sinegazi, sonke we bleed, sonke we feel the pain. So, uma ubheka nje uSteve Komphela ukuthi u-achieveni empilweni yakhe ukudlala kuBafana Bafana, ko-Europe, ucoach o-Kaizer Chiefs, Maritzburg United, Free State Stars if angenza iphutha, ama-teams nje a-different ebholeni lase-South Africa. Kusebenza on kuma-TV stations and so forth, but-ke une-humility unayo, uyakwazi ukuba umuntu at the end of the day. Lento akayenzayo into enhle kakhulu bafethu than ukuthi phela yabona maba-famous or udumile or umuntu o-important akanaki nokubanaka, abanye abantu akababheki nokubabheka, but-ke ama-moments anje ayasikhumbuza ukuthi you can never be bigger than omunye umuntu, nonke niyafana, just the difference ukuthi wena khona ikhamera ekulandelayo and then on the other side kulo muntu lo okushutha ngekhamera. So bonke abantu, I mean, i-spirit of ubuntu at the end of the day bafethu ukuthi abantu we are one at the end of the day, no matter the background, no matter ini, but we are one at the end of the day. Yeah, iMamelodi Sundowns laphana eNigeria bafethu ipreparela for i-match enkulu. Well, not really i-match enkulu for bona, they know they're gonna win this game. But i-match enkulu for i-Remo Stars le yase-Nigeria because of ngibona i-interview ye-coach ya-i-Remo Stars ithi abakazi baba kule moment lena as i-team, so kumele bayithathe serious le moment ukuthi bakwazi ukuwina. Uyazi ukuthi ngeke kube lula, ngeke ayi-compare na-any moment abake baba kuyo, but i-match against iMamelodi Sundowns ngeke ibe lula, izoba nzima kakhulu. So they're looking forward to the game ukuthi bakwazi ukuthola ama-results. Well, but knowing very well ukuthi it's not gonna be easy facing Mamelodi Sundowns. I mean, i-team bafethu well equipped ukuthi ingashaya noma ngabe yiphi i-team on the African continent. Abakhulume ngayo kahle kakhulu laphana iMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi i-achieveni into zayo laphana ey'ningi e-achievile, nanokuthi ukudlala neMamelodi Sundowns kuzoba nzima kangakanani. But yeah, they are ready, they've planned, they are prepared for Mikel Cardoso. Ngimbonile ashuthela aphoste laphana online, ashuthi iy'moto laphana eLagos, but I don't think they are over prepared for the game because they know ukuthi bazoyiwina i-game. But njengoba bengishilo ukuthi it's a game of football, you never know, but bane-squad well equipped ukuthi singawina nanoma yiphi i-game. I don't expect i-team yase-Nigeria ukuthi ishaye iMamelodi Sundowns. I was watching something, ama-sports analyst walaphana eNigeria athi so i-Remo Stars izodlala neMamelodi Sundowns, ayina chance at all. Ubonile, uyazi ukuthi kuBafana Bafana le kunzima nokuthi iNigeria ishaye, kunama-player we-Nigeria, kunama-player weMamelodi Sundowns amaningi kakhulu kuleya team. So they were saying that, and then obviously comparing ukuthi akuna chance for i-team yalaphana eNigeria ukuthi ikwazi ukuwina against iMamelodi Sundowns. Nami I don't see a chance at all. Ngiwabonile nje ama-clip nama-interviews wabanye abantu baba namathemba angekho, but there's no way beshaya iMamelodi Sundowns, abana chance, zero. But yeah, it's a game of football, let's just wait and see sibone ukuthi izinto zizohamba kanjani ngoba liyaginqika at the end of the day. 90 minutes, awu-2 home and away, lo ofuna ukuwina serious uzokwazi ukuwina. Danke bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.